Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious chili mushroom. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first in a bowl we'll take half cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and combine. Gradually add water to form a semi-thick batter. So this is the consistency you should look for. Now add 200 grams of chopped mushrooms. Mix and coat the mushrooms well. Then heat oil in a pan and place the mushrooms one by one in hot oil. Deep fry the mushrooms on medium flame till they turn golden brown. So our mushrooms have turned perfectly brown and crispy now. Take them out on a paper towel. Deep fry all the mushroom pieces like this. These are perfectly crispy. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, half tablespoon of chopped ginger and 2 sliced green chillies. Saute for a minute and then add 1 onion chopped into big pieces. Saute the onions for a minute and then add half a capsicum chopped and saute for few seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Give it a good mix and then add chopped spring onions and mix well. In this stage you can add cornflour slurry if you want gravy. Then add the fried mushrooms, some salt according to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix and coat the mushrooms with the sauce. And there it is. A delicious chili mushroom is ready now. This goes perfectly well with fried rice or chapati. You can also have it as a starter. So do try out this recipe and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.